अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं? मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप खैरियत से होंगे। और मैं आज आपके साथ आइट स्पीकिंग पार्ट 3 शेयर करने जा रहा हूं, जो कि डिस्कशन पार्ट होता है। और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अहमियत का अमल होता है, क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम देखते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टी पेश आती है, ख़ास तौर पर जब वो आइट्स के पार्ट 3 के क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देते हैं। चूँकि ये डिस्कशन क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, मोस्टली ये क्वेश्चंस आपसे ये रिक्वायर करते हैं कि आप इनका डिटेल में आंसर करें। और मोस्टली ये क्वेश्चंस ओपन एंडिंग आंसर्स रिक्वायर करते हैं, यानी बहुत सारे बंदे इसका, अगर आप बहुत सारे बंदों के आंसर्स का मुआजना करें तो आप देखते हैं कि हर बंदे का शायद अपनी जगह आंसर ठीक होगा, लेकिन वो एक जैसा नहीं होगा। इसको कहते हैं ओपन एंडिंग क्वेश्चंस, so which really requires open ending answers. So what type of furniture is used for offices? In mostly in the offices, we observe that the desks, the round tables, square tables, and also the sofa sets with the sofa sets are used in the offices. And we also observe that that furniture is of mostly formal nature, and it looks so attractive. It is well designed, it is well fashioned, and also it looks so modern. And most often we observe that there is much competition among the offices of different organizations, because the guest or the client, the first thing he or she comes across is the offer furniture. So it mostly looks so enthralling, so appealing. How is it different from home furniture? Home furniture is mostly durable, as we generally observe that home furniture is more comfortable, as it also includes, apart from the chairs, apart from the sofas and the settees, it also includes the beds also. So if you compare the office furniture and with the home furniture, office furniture is mostly changed on frequent basis as compared to home furniture, which is not frequently changed. How do you usually decide what furniture to buy? It it definitely, there are different factors which decide which furniture to buy and which not to. The first thing is that the budget of a person. If he has a sufficient budget, he would prefer to buy the furniture of expensive quality. And also, whether that furniture fulfills their requirement. If they are buying office furniture, whether they are buying all those necessary things which they need in their office, and also the design, and also yet another thing which is also very important, the space. If they also look the space where they would place their furniture. So that these are some of the factors which a person really has in his mind before he buy any furniture. When do people feel they should buy new furniture? There may be many factors again, but some of them may be: firstly, people feel they should buy new furniture when they see their furniture is not presentable. It is archaic, it is worn, it is partially or fully broken. And yet another factor is when they feel that it is out of fashion. So these are the things which make people buy new furniture. So what factors are involved in buying furniture? तो कौन से फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व हैं कि फर्नीचर कौन सा खरीदना है? तो मेरे ख्याल में इसके हवाले से मैं आपको पहले ही ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन के अंदर इसका आंसर दे चुका हूँ। तो आइए हम अब एक और टॉपिक की तरफ जाते हैं। लेकिन जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि आज हम आइल्स स्पीकिंग पार्ट 3 के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। तो इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस वेदर से रिलेटेड हैं और कुछ ड्रेस से रिलेटेड हैं। तो आइए उन्हें डिस्कस करते हैं। हाउ डज द वेदर अफेक्ट पीपल? The weather affects people in several ways. In the bad weather, they may not be able to reach their destination. They may also face accident if the roads are really slippery or if there is slime on the roads. And also, some may say sometimes the weather also affects them to change their clothes. In the winter, for example, when they feel cold, they wear warm clothes, woolen clothes. On the other hand, if it is summer, if they feel hot or warm, they may wear light clothes or cool clothes, cotton clothes. How does it affect their lifestyle? वो अब कहता है कि ये जो मौसम है उनके लाइफस्टाइल पे किस तरह अफेक्ट करता है। So weather also affects people's lifestyles in several ways. For example, in the countries where we find that the weather mostly remains colder, so they spend most of their time in their houses. They don't like to go outside. In the like manner, if it is extremely hot weather or extremely hot season, so they at the daytime they prefer staying in their houses. But in the evening, when the temperature falls down or at night time, it looks so pleasant. They feel very pleasant to go outside. In the like manner, people also decide what to eat and what to drink, what to wear, and where to go and where not to. So, definitely, weather affects people's lifestyle. Some people, for example, in the hot weather, they go to the seaside, to the beach side. Sometimes also like swimming in the summer season, in the hot season. Do you often pay attention to the weather forecast? क्या आप अक्सर जो मौसम की पेशन गोई है उस पर तवज्जो देते हैं? Yes, most often I do. But I especially do it when I want to go to some other city, when I want to go to some other area. So most often I check the weather forecast and I chalk out my programs according to the weather conditions, according to the temperature. Do people wear different clothes in different types of weather or different seasons? Of course. In the winter season, people wear warm clothes or woolen clothes. On the other hand, in the summer season, they wear light clothes and light colored clothes and also cotton clothes. So, why do people wear cotton clothes in summer? As I already told you, people prefer wearing cotton clothes in summer because cotton clothes are very cool. They don't irritate them. They makes them feel relaxed. They make them feel cooler in cotton clothes. So that's why they prefer wearing cotton clothes in summer. हम अब एक और पार्ट 3 की तरफ जा रहे हैं और ये भी बड़े अहम क्वेश्चंस हैं तो जिन्हें हम अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. इज इट इजी टू टीच चिल्ड्रन? मे और मे नॉट बी. In the sense it is easy to teach children is because they are quick learners, they are quick wit, they also their memory is very sharp. So whatever you teach them, whatever you make them repeat, they can easily do it. But on the other hand, if you teach them the difficult subjects or some difficult terminology, it may be very difficult for you to teach the children or to make the children understand the difficult terminology. Do you think they are quick learners? Of course. As I already answered you in my previous question, answer, I already told you that they are very quick learner. Whatever you teach them, whatever you tell them, they remember it very fast. And if you ask them to reconceptuate it, they will easily do it. Do you think the society should take care of children, or is it the responsibility of the parents? I think both are responsible, but parents are more responsible because they have blood relation with them. So they know the problems of nature of their children more than the society. And I think, of course, though both are responsible, but when it comes to choose one between the two, I would say it is parents' duty to take care of their children as they have blood relation with them. And we also know that children are vulnerable, so they can easily be harmed. They are naive, they don't know what is right and what is wrong to them. तो बच्चे जो हैं वो अनाड़ी होते हैं, नाइव होते हैं, ठीक है। तो वल्नरेबल भी होते हैं कि उन्हें उन्हें आसानी से नुकसान पहुंच सकता है, बिकॉज उन्हें अपने अच्छे बुरे का पता नहीं होता। तो हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ जाते हैं, यानी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक से मुराद ये है कि नेक्स्ट जो टेस्ट का पार्ट 3 था, जो डिस्कशन पार्ट था, हम उसके क्वेश्चंस की तरफ अभी जाते हैं। डू यू थिंक फेयरनेस इन द वर्क प्लेस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट? वो कहता है कि जो फेयरनेस है, जहाँ पे आप काम कर रहे हैं वहाँ रास्तबाजी जो है, कि आप हर जायज़ रहें, हर काम में आप रास्तबाज रहें, सीधे सीधे चलें, धोखा फरेब ना दें। क्या ये चीज़ अहम है? ऑफ कोर्स, fairness is very important in the workplace, and I would say not only in the workplace but also at all the places, in all the situations, because there is no second to fairness, and whosoever is a man of character, he remains fair in whatever the circumstances may be, कि वो किसी किस्म के भी हालात हों वो उसके अंदर फेयर रहता है। इज इट नेसेसरी टू रिवॉर्ड स्टाफ? क्या ये ज़रूरी है आपके ख्याल में कि जो स्टाफ होता है, जो स्टाफ मेंबर्स होते हैं, उन्हें रिवॉर्ड देना? यस, इट मे नॉट बी मैंडेटरी दाउ, बट आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल, because it really encourages them, it makes them more dedicated, it tempts them to work even harder for the company. So I think giving reward to the staff is very important, is very necessary. Do you think people use vehicles to drive short distances? Yes, in this modern era where people are well off, where people are prosperous, यानी लोग ज़्यादा खुशहाल हैं, they have more than one vehicle, so they even prefer driving to the short distances even, and most often it causes frequent traffic jams on one hand, and on the other hand it also makes them suffer from different kind of diseases. They may become lazier, they may become idle, they may not be able to control on their cholesterol level. What can be done to change their minds? तो वो कहता है कि क्या चीज़ की जाए कि हम उनके माइंड्स को चेंज कर दें कि वो ऐसा ना करें। आई थिंक I think we need to start awareness campaigns so that people can know the importance of exercise. People can know the importance of having a long walk. People can know the importance of their health. And also by imposing high taxes on the vehicles, because this is how they can be discouraged when they know that they will have to pay a very high tax, so they won't prefer to drive even to the short distances. तो ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जो कि मैंने समझा ज़रूरी समझा कि मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूं, और मैंने कोशिश की कि जो मेरे जहन के अंदर पॉसिबल आंसर्स आए मैं आपके साथ साथ शेयर कर सकूं, और मैंने कोशिश किया और शेयर भी किए। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि इनके अलावा आंसर्स नहीं बन सकते। जैसा कि मैंने पहले आपको बता दिया है कि ये ओपन एंडिंग क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। ओपन एंडिंग और क्लोज एंडिंग क्वेश्चंस में फ़र्क ये होता है कि जो क्लोज एंडेड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उनका आंसर सिर्फ एक होता है, हर एक बंदे का सेम आंसर होगा। लेकिन जो ओपन एंडिंग होते हैं, अनलाइक द क्लोज्ड एंडिंग, तो ओपन एंडिंग में ज़ाहिर है हो सकता है कि 10 बंदे हैं तो 10 बंदों का आंसर डिफरेंट हो, और ये भी हो सकता है कि वो इन 10 बंदों का आंसर अपनी जगह पे ठीक हो। तो उम्मीद है आप अपना ख्याल रखेंगे, और फिर मैं एज़ यूजुअल आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर भी करें, और बेल आइकन को के बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। इससे ये होगा कि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा। तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।